In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Suno AI with my voice. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own voice into Suno AI and turn it into music in just a few clear steps. First, open your browser and head to the Suno AI website. Give the page a moment to load so all the creative tools initialize properly. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account so your settings and projects can be saved and synced. From the main dashboard, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new project. Click it and you'll land in the workspace where you can decide how hands-on you want to be. You'll see two modes, simple and advanced. If you want a quick streamlined path with fewer decisions, choose simple. If you prefer more control over details like style and structure later on, go with advanced. You can always experiment, so don't overthink it. Pick the mode that matches how much guidance you want today. Next, click on Voices. This is where you connect Suno AI to your own voice. You'll have two options. You can record your voice directly, or you can upload an audio file that contains your voice. If you're recording, find a quiet spot, bring the mic close, and speak or sing clearly. A short, clean sample usually works best. If you're uploading, choose a clip where your voice is front and center, with minimal background noise or effects. Common audio formats are typically supported, but prioritize clarity over length, and make sure you only use audio you own and have the right to use. Your voice recorded by you. Once your voice is captured, either by recording or uploading, you're ready to start making music with it. Suno AI will use the characteristics of your voice to guide the sound it creates. From here, follow the on-screen options in your chosen mode to shape the track. Keep your ideas simple at first. Think about the vibe you're going for, and let the tool do the heavy lifting. Listen to the initial result, then refine. If something sounds off, try a cleaner voice sample or adjust your mode choice to give yourself more or less control. That's all there is to it. Go to Suno AI, log in, click Create, pick Simple or Advanced, open Voices, and either record or upload your voice. Then dive in and start making music using your own voice. Take your time, iterate, and enjoy the creative process.